Introducing the Rove R2-4K Dash Cam, your reliable companion for the road. Capture every moment in stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution. With the Rove R2-4K Dash Cam, you'll experience unparalleled clarity and quality that sets it apart from all other car dash cams. Never miss a detail, even in low-light conditions. Our revolutionary super night vision technology, powered by an ultra-low light sensor NT96660 and SONY IMX335, ensures you get clearer footage and images in the dark. Stay connected on the go. Use the Rove app on your iOS or Android device to instantly view and manage dash cam recordings. Download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and easily share your adventures with friends and family on social media. Keep track of your journey with the built-in GPS. The Rove R2-4K accurately records your driving location and speed. View your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our car DV player. Plus, enjoy free firmware upgrades for continuous improvement. Packed with state-of-the-art technology, the Rove R2-4K Dash Cam offers a range of features, including f1.8 apertures for superior performance, parking mode, motion detection, a 150 degrees A+ wide-angle lens for comprehensive coverage, a G sensor for automatic event recording, loop cycle recording for uninterrupted use, emergency video lock to safeguard critical footage, time-lapse and slow-motion video options, and support for up to a 512GB Class 10 U3 speed micro SD card. Note, memory card not included. Join thousands of satisfied customers who trust Rove R2-4K Dash Cam for their journey. Our 100% USA Chicago-based customer-centric company stands behind the product with a full 1-year warranty. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to purchase your Rove R2-4K Dash Cam today and start capturing your road trips with ultimate clarity and confidence. Rove R2-4K Dash Cam, redefine your road experience. Drive safe, record smart.